He's called Rockatoo the Showbird. He's really neat looking, you guys. I actually really like the back of his box too. Responds with 50 plus sounds and motion combinations. That's neat. He was available exclusively at Target. I think that's actually where I got him on sale. He tells jokes. That's pretty cool. He records and repeats what you say. That's awesome. And he sings and dances. All right, so here's part of his box. Here's the back of it. He looks like a lot of fun. So he's gonna do some neat things for us. He performs 3 cool song and dance routines. That's interesting. Pet his cheek for lovable responses. So he responds to his cheek being touched. And you can record different phrases. And he repeats them in his bird voice or musically. That's pretty cool. Press to hear the phrases again. He sounds really awesome. So we're going to be using him in our toy pet rescue. And I'm excited about all the features that he does. And that's why we got him. I don't know if he's still available at the store. We bought him on clearance to use for our toy pet rescue. And we're finally getting around to opening him. We're so excited. We've been meaning to do this for quite a while. And so we are now.
We all get together, get to open it on our own.
Right. Okay, so we're just going to get out him out of his box. He's got some tape, I'm sure. Okay. He looks kind of hard.
Wow.
I see all these scrunched up faces.
Yeah. Now I can hug him.
You're going to hug him?
Looks like there's
night to him when it's night.
Yeah.
When bedtime, I'm done.
his poor wings are glued into the box.
Aw. I love his stage here. I love his set. That is so fun, this box. So 4 AA batteries are required. So we're going to just go ahead and put them in. Very nice. All right, we got his batteries in. He talks.
Yes, he's awesome. His legs even raise and his arms go out and this goes up.
That's super cool.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
To the left, to the right, to the right,
Whoa.
to the left, to the right. Put your wings up.
Okay, he's got a lot of personality.
he's like the star of the party.
Swing, the wing swing.
This is gonna be so much fun at a birthday party.
That's right, rock the mic.
I'm gonna hug you. I'm gonna hug you. Hello.
Hey, wanna hear a joke? Why did
Yeah.
the spider go
Yeah.
on his laptop? To visit his website. Rough crowd, huh?
So, how you record is you press his beak and then you say something. So,
Okay.
Bunny bird. Say it.
pineapple pizza is the best.
Pineapple pizza is the best. Pineapple pizza is the best.
That's
Can he sing it? Can he see it musically?
Yes, and you can press.
Pineapple pizza is the best. Pineapple pizza is the best.
I feel like a 2-year-old mimicking me.
Mine.
Aye, aye, Captain.
He's singing it.
He's singing it in a robot way.
Wow.
I got it.
I guess this is his next song.
Wanna hear a joke? What type of music are balloons afraid of? Pop music.
So he repeats it if he's bored.
Whoa.
Okay, and then
That's amazing.
you can press his cheek to get a fun response. Like a loving response like
I'm the
that.
sweetest bird in the world.
Aw.
I need a hug.
Aw.
And a hug. And a hug.
I'll hug him.
AC wants to hug him.
He's seen. Okay, and then another thing you can do, this is the final thing, is rub his tummy and he'll do a performance. So he has 3 performances he can do.
He's cool. I love how he'll sing your song.
So like you can get him to say whatever, so. Hello! That's terrifying.
Joke time. What do mummies like to listen to? Rap music.
He's got a lot of different
He's got
jokes.
a lot of.
We've heard what, like 4 or 5 already?
Was that for real? What?
He squawks like Acelie.
No way.
That's a rockatoo, because Quack. Quack.
It's so scary. See, hear your own voice.
Say it.
Boy, want a cracker?
Toy like Papa? Toy like Papa?
Hello.
Keep it higher toward the back. Keep it higher toward the back. Toy like Papa? Toy like Papa?
Okay, so whatever you repeat, you can hear it again.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Really?
That was perfect.
Watch me.
It's awesome.
Can't stop. Again. Squawk. Squawk. Squawk.
He talks.
He's a real parrot feeling, like.
Yeah.
Better than
He even got kind of the annoyingness of a parrot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. He's pretty realistic.
He's so soft too.
Yeah.
That's cool. I love his colors.
Yeah, they're like bright.
Yeah, this is a fun toy.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe! Go comment on Instagram at Toy Capades if you guys have him and if he is as annoying to you as he is to us. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!
Hi, Toy Capaders! Have you become a member of the Toy Capade squad yet? Click that red subscribe button and you can be an official Toy Capader. Don't forget to ding the bell and give it a big thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram for bloopers, sneak peeks, behind the scenes, and more. Thanks for watching.